Look at this. Is this a turtle?
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Goodbye.
Penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this an angelfish?
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. Penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a lobster?
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Oh no! Yummy!
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes
Look
the
at this.
weasel.
Is this a snow white fish?
For a needle, that's the way the money goes. Bye-bye goes the weasel.
Good job!
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a glowfish?
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Aha!
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Oh no!
On the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the
Whoa!
Look at this. Is this a comb of fish?
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Wow! Wee.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a pearl gourami fish?
For a needle, that's the way the monkey goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a catfish?
Woohoo!
Oh no!
Aha!
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased
Look
the
at this.
weasel.
Is this a broomfish?
All in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Goodbye! Good job!
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun.
Yeah!
Goes the weasel. A penny for a spoon
Whoa.
of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes.
Yippee!
Pop goes the weasel.
Wee.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes.
Look at this.
Goes the
Is this a
weasel.
broomfish?
All around the mulberry bush,
Look at
the
this.
monkey chased
Is this a
the
lobster?
weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the
Look at this. It is a catfish.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. It is a turtle.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought was all in good fun. Bye bye. Pop goes the weasel.
Goodbye. Okay.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a
Good job.